What's up everybody, it's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today we're going to be installing the Billetworkz shift knob and we're going to check it out. We're going to see if it's worth it or if it's not worth it. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, it's a little bit later in the day, but first step is just removing the shift knob just by twisting it like this. Alright guys, so here's a comparison. So here's the original. It's to be honest, it's not that bad. And then here's the new one. It's not as big as I thought it was gonna be, but this color is absolutely beautiful. This is the candy purple from Billetworkz, and obviously it's a good amount heavier. So yeah. So now we're gonna insert this nut in, and then we're gonna put the adapter on top, and yeah. Alright, so once you have it on there, you're just gonna tighten it using one of these wrenches here. Two of them actually. I'm putting it all the way down because mine doesn't have an engraving on it. It's just gonna be plain, just like that. Go ahead and just tighten the shift knob down, and there you go, just like that. It's actually a really nice shift knob. I might even like it more than the racing shift knob that I had on my 86. And they have really nice colors. They have more colors than this, so cool. Let's go ahead and see how it feels on the road. Alright guys, it is the next day and I have been using the shift knob, and this shift knob is absolutely amazing. So it has good weight to it. The reverse lockout does go up all the way and it works perfectly. The color of it is absolutely like very nice. Like I love it. And yeah, I definitely would 100% recommend this shift knob. And they also have ones that have engravings on the top, but I went ahead and chose the one with nothing on it, just the color. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget, spread love, not hate. Peace out.